నమో నమః. అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. శుభోదయం. Today is the 10th day of our classes on Sanskrit learning by Sri Akalda Yamakanta Prabhakar Rao garu. We have one more lecture left tomorrow. Otherwise, the language classes on Sanskritam are over. We are going to have a test on Saturday. We'll start the session with Vande Mataram by Chala Chitti Babu garu. After that, Prarthana by Pujita. Chala Chitti Babu garu.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुप्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वंदे मातरम. नमस्कार.
వందే మాతరం. ధన్యవాదములండి చల్ల చిట్టిబాబు గారు. Now let us request Pujita to chant Prarthana, please.
Sarvebhyah pranamah. Let us meditate for 1 minute. Let's chant Omkara for 3 times. गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्। ॐ श्री महागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्र्यवतु। ॐ श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुरैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे।
Guru Naiva.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Repeat.
गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरुवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मां पाहि गुरो। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानां मालयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्ता पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Okay, Pujita. Ati Uttamam, very good. Thank you. Now let us request Prabhakar Rao Guru Garu to start the webinar, please.
हरि ओम धन्यवादः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। हरिः ओम्। So we have completed 5 lessons till now, and I thought 5 lessons is sufficient for this course. If it is only 10 days class, so it needs 20 days for completing the course. So we'll see next time when we have 20 days for this. Now, today and tomorrow, we will have Abhyasam on these lessons. Please open the Abhyasam portion of it. And I would like to know anybody has got any doubts on lesson 1. On lesson 1, if anybody has got doubts, please come forward and tell your doubts. What are your doubts?
గురుగారు రమేష్ హెహార్ అండి.
Yeah.
ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ లో 1-4 అండి. నా ప్లస్ త ప్లస్ రా ప్లస్ ఆ, అది వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ డన్. ఫస్ట్ అభ్యాసం 1.4.
Abhyasam 1. Okay.
1.4 అండి. నా ప్లస్ త ప్లస్ ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ సార్, చాప్టర్ 1, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 13 అండి.
One
కాదు
second.
సార్.
I'm coming to it. Okay. Are you seeing this? Okay. Now tell me.
నా 1.4 అండి. నా
1.4.
ప్లస్ త ప్లస్ రా ప్లస్ ఆ.
What is your doubt?
అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ అవుట్కమ్ అంటే నా త్ర
You pronounce it. Pronounce it. How do you pronounce it?
త్ర అనుకున్నా అంటే
First you have to pronounce first na, next ta, next ra, next a, like that. Same order.
రా అది రావట్లేదు. త్ర is the last 3 words.
See, first you join one and na and ta. Nta, nta, first n. N plus it, nt.
త్ర.
You're coming to that. Int plus ra, intra. Intra plus a, intra. Antra, antra, intra. Antra, intra. Antram, yantram. Chatram. Chatram. Yantram. Yantram only. Yantram.
Right. Okay.
Add to that, your pronunciation will be complete. Yantram. Yantra.
Okay. Yantram.
Yantra.
Okay. Understood. Yantram. Yeah, right. Yeah. Thank you.
When you pronounce yantra word, automatically antra is coming correctly. Yantra.
Tra.
So any other doubt? So now that this doubt has come, now I will pronounce everything. Please carefully hear. Sh plus E plus A, she. S plus P plus A, spa. N plus R, N plus T plus R plus A, tra. T plus Va plus Va, tva. T plus plus Ya plus Tyam, Mahatmyam. Mahatmyam, Myam. Ta ma ya Mahatmyam. Like that. Now, any other doubts? No doubts? Nobody has giving any doubt on second question? What is the lingam for Nayanam? Anybody?
Napunsakalingam.
Lingam.
Okay. What is the lingam for Sevaka? Sevakaha.
Pullingam.
Pullingam.
What is the lingam for Tat?
Napunsakalingam.
Suta.
Strilingam.
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 Very good. Yeah, so everybody has got no doubt. Balaha Pullingam, Sita Strilingam. Please hear what I am saying, what I am reading. If any doubt you have got, please raise again. Balaha Pullingam, Suta Strilingam, Sisheha Pullingam, Palam Napusakalingam, Saha Pullingam, Sa Strilingam, Jalam Napusakalingam, Tat Napusakalingam, Bala Strilingam, Putra Pullingam, Sevaka Pullingam, Amba Strilingam, Pushpam Napusakalingam, Nayanam Napusakalingam, Aja Strilingam. Okay, next. Third question. Answer the following questions. Any doubts on this? A and A. First A. A. Any doubts on these questions?
No, sir. Everything is clear
No
here
doubts.
also.
Nobody has got doubt on this. So if anybody can answer Ka Pachati?
Palika Pachati. Sita
Balika
Pachati.
Pachati. What you have done here?
Here, Ka is the Srilingam Sarvanamam, sir. సో కానీ అక్కడ మనం శ్రీలింగంతో అక్కడ ఒక నేమ్ కానీ నామవచకం కానీ సర్వనామం కానీ అక్కడ పెడితే యూజ్ చేయాలి సార్.
Okay. So
Amba
Ka
Pachati.
Pachati. So very good.
Pachati
Amba
means
Pachati. That's
వంట,
also
cooking. Yes.
Yes, cooking. So you understood correctly the way you have to answer for these questions. So Ka is the Strilinga. First you have to find out what is the question mark here. In this, what is the question? What is the verb and what is the question? The question is Ka, and you should find out the lingam, vachanam, and vibhakti of this Ka. So Ka, lingam is Strilingam, vachanam ekavachanam, and pradhama vibhakti, Ka shabdam. So since this is Strilingam, ekavachanam, pradhama vibhakti, answer should be in the same. So I have taken Balika shabdam, which is Strilingam, ekavachanam, pradhama vibhakti. So depending on the question, depending on the prashna vachakam, you have to select the answer and then fill it up. That's all. Either you can take namavachaka sabdam or you can take a sarvanam sabdam. No problem. Ka Pachati. Ka is Strilinga sabdam, ekavachanam, pradhama vibhakti. You have taken Balika. Balika is Strilingam, pradhama vibhakti, ekavachanam. So it's suitable to that. You have done correct thing. Similarly, Kaha, Pullingam, ekavachanam, pradhama vibhakti, Kaha Patati. Balaha Patati. Saha Patati. Kaha Gacchati. Ramaha Gacchati. Kaha Atati. Putraha Atati. Ka Dhavati. Mahila Dhavati. Kaha Pashyati. Purushaha Pashyati. Ka Khadati. Vanaraha Khadati. Sorry, Vanari Khadati. Vanari. Ka Strilinga Sabdam, Vanari Khadati. Tada Vanita Khadati. Janani Khadati. Ka Pibati. Ka Balika Pibati. Rama Pibati. Sita Pibati. Kim Vikati. Nayanam Vikasati. Kim is Napusaka Sabdam. Pushpam is Napusaka Sabdam. Nayanam is Napusaka Sabdam. So Nayanam Vikasati. Pushpam Vikasati. Since V is the consonant, Nayanam and Pushpam should be written as Anuswaram, not Makaram. Kim Spurati. Nayanam Spurati. So like that, the answers. The next on the second A, any doubts on A?
అంటే ఒక
Any doubts on A question?
Yeah, I am having one doubt. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ suppose we don't know whether it is male or female who cook the food. See, మీరు కా పచతి అంటే
by knowing the ప్రశ్నవాచకం you are learning which is male or female.
అదే అంటున్నాను. అది తెలియకపోతే ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇక్కడ కా అన్నప్పుడు ఏంటంటే we already know that the female is cooking.
you know కహ శబ్దం you know కహ శబ్దం కా శబ్దం you know కిం శబ్దం కహ కౌకే పుల్లింగం కా కే కా స్త్రీలింగం కిం కే కాని నపుంసకం. దట్ యు నో రైట్.
అది తెలుసు. ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ వండేవాళ్ళు ఆడవాళ్ళు మగవాళ్ళు తెలియనప్పుడు కిమ్ అని వాడాలా అని, కహ కా కథ కిమ్ అని వాడాలా? ఇప్పుడు ఐ డోంట్ నో వెదర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ మేల్ ఆర్ ఫీమేల్, హూ ఇస్ ద కుక్ అనేది తెలియదు.
డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ ది పర్సన్ యు క్వశ్చన్ కహ యు పుట్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్ యు డోంట్ నీడ్ టు నో ఇట్ at that time. Then answer will be depending on the person who is actually doing.
అప్పుడు కిమ్ అని వాడాలమో?
No, kaha wala. Kaha pachati. If you whatever thing you can do, kaha pachati, anything you do, you ask, no problem. Kim you should not use, because even any for mitram can be done, but normally it is not. You should use some. That question is a bit not a practical question. You ask kaha pachati. If you think that ladies are cooking there, kaha pachati. But you don't think napusaka is cooking there, right?
యా నపుంసక కుక్ చేయరు. మనం కహ పచతి అని వాడచ్చు అనమాట.
Yeah, kaha pachati you can ask, but depending on the person who is doing the answer, the person he will tell correct answer.
Yeah.
Since the verb doesn't give the any lingam, the pachati is male and female, both are same.
So when we adi correct, when we don't know,
but whatever you think you will ask, but answer will be based on the actual fact.
So when we don't know whether it is male or female, I can say kaha pachati or ka pachati. Answer will be అక్కడ ఉండే మనిషిని బట్టి ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది.
మనిషిని బట్టి ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. Since because you asked ka pachati, she should not say lady name.
I understood that. Answer depends on the person who is cooking. Gender depends on the person who is cooking.
Normally you put depending on the nature of the work. If you think that the work is to be done by ladies, you put ka pachati. That if you think that cooking is done by cook male cook, you can ask kaha pachati.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
No problem. So next, similarly, ke likhanti. Any doubts on this? Likhanti bahuvachana vakyani. So now question is ke vadanti. Anybody?
Pullingam, sir.
Tell answer. Please tell answer.
Balaha patanti. Sorry, likhanti. Sorry. Likhanti. Balaha likhanti.
No, I asked vadanti, not likhanti. Ke vadanti. Okay. Balaha vadanti. You said balaha vadanti. But how could you say this ke is bahuvachanam? Why it is not divachanam? Ladies divachanam. It could be napusakalingam divachanam also.
Right? Sir, depending on the verb.
Likhanti ఉంది కదండి.
Verb bahuvachana కదా sir.
Very good.
Likhanti.
All got knowledge.
Likhanti.
So people normally do this mistake. This get doubt, they get doubt. So next you have to see when you get the doubt of this karta question mark ke, whether you should take another pullingam bahuvachanam or strilingam divachanam or napusakalingam divachanam, then you have to look for the verb, and verb is indicating that this K belongs to pullingam bahuvachanam. So pullingam bahuvachanam is answer for this. If that is actual, and you know that the male people are doing that answer work. That's why you are putting that question K vadanti. If you know that ladies are doing, you will ask kaha vadanti or kaha ke likhanti, like that. But you don't know at all, and then put a question, shoot a question.
కాదు.
Then no. It depends on the kriya. What type of kriya? That kriya is done by napusaka or not, male or female. Based on that, you have to put a question.
Okay.
You cannot take a irrelevant question mark for a different verb. Okay. If that napusakalingam cannot do that job, you cannot put that question. you cannot use that Krishnavachakam. So if you don't know anything, you ask Pullingam only, and then that answer will be according to the actual fact. But here mostly you are in a fundamental stage. Here the understanding should be that based on the that you are asking for a male person because Bahuvachanam is Vadanti is there. Ramaswamy garu cheppandi sir. Ramaswamy garu, you raised your hand. Ramaswamy Mahodaya, Vadantu. Unmute change, sir. Okay. If there is no question, then I will answer all these things. Ke likhanti, te likhanti. You can now you can ask. You can say that way. Te
Yeah,
likhanti.
I am unmuted now. Okay, now I can see.
Please. Yeah,
Okay.
Ramaswamy.
Bhavan kim pathati. Sir,
Ah.
what are you reading? Similarly, Bhavan kim pachati. Samichinam kalu.
Yeah. Bhavan kim pachati, correct. Prathama Purusha.
Kim patati, kim pachati, kim badati.
Yeah. But answer will be what? Depending on the kim.
Aham Ramayanam patami.
Ramayana patami. Patham patami.
Aham
Patham patami.
tandalam
Can you say that?
pachami.
Hajjam
I am
patami.
payasam pachami. Evameva.
But now I saw tatraiva nasti यदि पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दम् अस्ति चेत् यदि पाठः पठति चेत् तत्समये पाठं पठति भवान् कं पठति भवान् कं पठति. The correct question would be, you know that that man is reading patham, pataha. So bhavan kam patati. You know that he is reading Gita. Bhavan kam patati.
That's okay. Suppose you
If
don't
ask
know.
Kim also, if you ask say Kim also, the answer could be Gita, no problem. But generally, if you know that that man is reading Gita, you better use.
So depending on the context, it can say. So Kim Patati also can be, or Kim Pachati can also be
Kim
appropriate given the context. Maybe
Kim is general.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all. Yeah.
So now ke likhanti, te likhanti, ke dhavanti, te dhavanti, or aswaha dhavanti, kaha yachanti, vichukaha yachanti, kani pachanti, pachakaha kani pachanti, kani patanti, patrani patanti, pushpani patanti, kani gachanti, vahanani gachanti, kaha hasanti, balikaha hasanti, महिलाः हसन्ति काः चरन्ति अजाः चरन्ति. Charanti cannot be used for human. Charanti means mate. If you say mahila charanti, it will be bad, right? So the answer is expected is ajaha. Ajaha charanti. Ke atanti, balakaha atanti, vichukaha atanti. के वदन्ति बालाः वदन्ति बालिकाः वदन्ति पुरुषाः वदन्ति नायकाः वदन्ति कानि स्फुरन्ति नयनानि स्फुरन्ति. Like that. So write the questions with using suitable words for following. Balah gacchati. Here, how do you write the question? Balah gacchati. What do you understood by this? How do you write the
In
question?
this
How do you make the
Balaha
question?
is a pulling. In this Balaha is a pulling, sir. So అందుకని మనం అక్కడ సర్వనామం యూస్ చేసినప్పుడు కహా అక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ యూస్ చేసినప్పుడు కహా యూస్ చేస్తాం.
What you are seeing here, Balaha is Ulchlingam, which Vachanam Ekavachanam Gachati is showing. And Bala is also Vachanam, only Ekavachanam. So Pullingam Ekavachanam Pradhama Vibhakti is the answer, right? So Linga Vachana Vibhakti 3 knowledge should be there for correct answers always. If you take up one, forget other two, sometimes you do mistake. Bala Gachanti, if you say Ke Gachanti, wrong, no? Gachati, Ke Gachati. So Balaha Pullingam, Pullinga Prashnavachaka you have taken, and that one And that also kaha kauke, out of kaha kauke, you take kaha. So bala gachati, kaha gachati. Like that. So you have to see the verb and karta, both uchi lingam or uchi vachanam and uchi purusha. That you should observe. And purusha, you know that because the prathama purusha only we are using here. And then gachati, ekavachana or bahuvachana you have to take, and accordingly you take prashnavachaka and put it there. So shyaha pathanti. Here patanti is bahuvachanam, shishyaha is bahuvachanam. So what is to be taken?
Ke patanti.
Pullinga bahuvachanam ke. Kaha kauke, pullinga bahuvachanam ke. So ke patanti. So bala pashyati, kaha pashyati. Balika ke kaha pashyati. Sevakah tishtati, kaha tishtati. Jalam saravati. What is the question?
Kim Swavati.
Kim saravati. Kim saravati, jalam saravati. Saha nindati.
Kaha nindati.
Kaha nindati. Rukshaha phalanti, ke phalanti. Pustakam patati, kim patati. Sanjha bhavati, ka bhavati. Anuja kridati, ka kridati. Bhaktaha namanti, ke namanti.
Ke namanti.
That's how it goes. Then write the plural forms of the following sentences. So when you say plural forms, what is to be changed? You see the balakaha gacchati, balakaha gacchanti. What you observed here? Anybody?
Here pratyas martai, sir.
Both.
Gachati or the
both
as pratyas
well
and
Kriya, karta, both will change.
Karta.
Yeah.
When you are changing the sentence, both either bahuvachanam to ekavachanam or ekavachanam to bahuvachanam, Kriya and karta both will change because both are interdependent. We learned in the third lesson or fourth lesson. Fourth lesson we learned that kartari prayoga vakyam, Kriya depends on karta. Kriya depends on karta. So karta and Kriya go together with respect to Purusha as well as Vachanam. That's why balakaha gacchati, balakaha gacchanti. So you have to change gacchati to gacchanti, balaka to balakaha. So both are to be changed. That is to be understood. That is to be, clarity should be there on that issue. Bharavahaha vahati. What could be the answer?
Bharavahaha vahanti.
Correct. Very good. Mokaha pashyati.
Mokaha pashyanti.
Mokaha
pashyati. Andaha khadati.
Andaha khadanti.
Saha dhavati.
Te dhavanti.
Sa patati.
Taha patanti.
Patanti.
Sa patati, ka patati.
Taha
patanti. You are right. Taha patanti.
Taha patanti.
Sorry, nene kartu. Etat patati. Then
Etani patanti.
Patanti.
Etani patanti.
Patanti.
Kim
Patanti.
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 Kim vikasati.
Kani vikasanti.
Kani vikasanti. Rajakaha chalayati.
Rajakaha kshalayati.
Rajakaha chalayanti. So here you should have the knowledge of bahuvachanam for every word. Similarly, bahuvachan kriya. Bahuvachan kriya, one table you know that will suffice. That will make you understand. But when it comes to the bahuvachanam for the karta, you should know the vocabulary very well. For all the verbs, for all the words, you should know the bahuvachan rupas. So next, fill in the blanks using the suitable tense for the following verbs in given brackets. You have to use verb now. So how do you select a verb? Balika gacchati. Gacch has been given. Gacchati has been selected. On what base it has been selected?
Karta. Karta.
Balika.
Plural form లేకపోతే సింగులర్ ఫామా లేదంటే అదొక స్త్రీలింగమా
One category is vachanam. Whether you have seen the vachanam of the kriya, gacchati bahuvachan kriya or ekavachan kriya, that you have seen. And second thing, what you have seen?
Gender.
Well, Purusha you have seen. Gacchati uchi purusha kriya. Oh, sorry, balika. Balika uchi purusha.
Balika.
Prathama purusha. So Prathama purusha ekavachanam. Balika ekavachanam is the ekavachanam and purusha is Prathama purusha. So you have to select a Prathama purusha ekavachana kriya with gaccha. For gaccha, you take a Prathama purusha ekavachanam. What is that? Gacchati. So that's how you select. Balika, what you have seen in Balika? Prathama purusha ekavachanam. Lingam no better because we are talking about only These kriyas, without irrespective of the lingam, they are same. So lingam is not worried here now. Your target will be vachanam and purusha. Purusha is Pradhama Purusha, and vachanam is ekavachanam. Pradhama Purusha ekavachanam. Lingam we are not bothered. So Pradhama Purusha ekavachana kriya you have to select of gacha dhatu. Gacha is dhatu here. Gachati is verb. So with gacha dhatu for Srilingam, Srilingam, ekavachanam, Pradhama Purusha kriya you have to select. Gachati. Like that. Nataha. What is your question? Answer.
Nrityanti.
Nrityanti.
Bhaktaha.
Jhayati.
Jayati. Ete.
Hasanti.
Hasanti.
Hasanti. Pachakaha.
Chalanti.
Chalayanti. Chalaya.
Chalayanti.
This is the verb here. Chalaya. Chalayanti.
Sir, one doubt.
Vahanani. What is your doubt?
Sir, ete hasanti, ete hasavaha, ete hasataha. All three are possible, na? Because here lingam is not.
All the three are correct.
All three are correct. Okay.
All the three are correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Unless somebody says bahuvachanam. Within brackets he writes sometimes bahuvachanam or divachanam. Divachanam Srilingam. Divachanam Napuskalingam. Then that same thing will applicable. But ete in general can be taken for anybody accordingly. And taha is same for Srilingam and Napuskalingam because both are divachanam only.
Yeah.
Only difference comes with Pullingam.
Thank you.
So Pullingam or Srilingam they will write there. Once they write, you have to write accordingly. Ete hasanti for Pullingam you have to write. Ete hasataha for Srilingam you have to write. If they mention that here. If you don't mention whatever you write out of these three, that is correct. So Pachakaha Chalayanti. Vahanani Tishta.
Tishtanti.
Tishtanti. Why are silent? Make it fast. We have to finish 5 lessons in 2 days. Morkhaha.
Nindanti. Nindati.
Nindanti.
Choraha.
Nindati.
Nindati. Morkhaha nindati. Nindati ga. Nindanti ga. Morkhaha nindati. Choraha.
Davati.
Dhavati. Etaha.
Kridanti.
Kridanti.
Write the following words with singular and plural forms. Write the following words under singular and it is very easy. Sa. Ekvachanam, singular or plural. Ekvachanam or bahuvachanam. Sa. Saha. Saha ekvachanam. Taha.
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Ete.
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
It could be bahuvachanam, it could be divachanam also. But divachanam was not given in the question. So what you have to write?
Bahuvachanam.
Had you given dual also here, then the doubt comes. But dual was not indicated in the question. So you have to write bahuvachanam only. Ayam.
Ekavachanam.
Kim.
Ekavachanam.
Sa. Ayam means nearby he.
Sa.
Eshaha. Sa ekavachanam. Ime. Bahuvachanam. Te bahuvachanam. Ka. Ekavachanam. Etat ekavachanam. Kani.
Kani bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. Iyam.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam Srilingam. Kaha.
Ekavachanam.
Kaha.
Kaha bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Idam ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Etaha bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Imani bahuvachanam. Okay. Now it is over now. So you are all doing great job. I'm happy. Most probably you must having studied well, or you must be having earlier knowledge itself. Because I didn't expect that much with other batches earlier. Panditaha kutra vasati? Answer.
Panditah Kasi vasati.
Kasi?
Nagare.
Kasi Nagare vasati.
Kasi Nagare vasati. If it is Kasi, if you want to use what you should say?
Kasyam vasati.
Kasyam asti. You know the vibhaktis, that means. Very good. Pandita Kasya, though we didn't touch that till now. Saptami Vibhakti for feeling of. Did we touch that? In 5 lessons we didn't touch, right? Saptami Linga.
No, sir.
Saptami
No, sir.
Saptami
Not
Bhavachanam we did it, right? For feeling Sabdam. Okay, good. Kasyam Vasati. Panditah Kasyam Vasati. Kashi Nagare Vasati. Kasyam Vasati. Nagaram Sabdam, Apulsa Sabdam. Saptami Vibhakti Nagare. If it is Kasi Shrilinga Sabdam, Kasi Shrilinga Sabdasa Saptami Vibhakti Kasyam. So Panditah Kasyam Vasati. So Pandita Kimardham Prashnam Prichati Kimardham.
Panditah Shishya Buddhi Parikshartham Prashnam Puchati.
Shishya Buddhi Parikshartham Prashnam Puchati. Good, correct, good answer. Then Santushtaha Guruhu Ante Kim Vadati. Ante Kim Vadati. Kim Vadati. ఏకవచనం ఒక వచనం చెప్పాడు ఆ వచనం చెప్పాలి మనం కిం వదతి వాక్యం చెప్పాడు
సంతుష్టః గురుః అంతే వదతి విద్యాభ్యాసార్థం అత్రైవ వస ఇతి
అతః విద్యాభ్యాసార్థం అత్రైవ వస అతః ఇస్ దేర్ రైట్
అతః
యు హావ్ టు రైట్ దిస్ సెంటెన్స్ అతః విద్యాభ్యాసార్థం అత్రైవ వస దిస్ సెంటెన్స్ హి టోల్డ్ inverted commas. Iti. You have to add at the end. Iti. Answer. Then next is first to last question. Last okay. Second page. Now here. Now again. Write the Guninta series of the two terms ga and na. Can anybody tell Guninta for ga?
Ga. Ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, gru, gru, glu, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gaha.
Varna. Anybody else?
Na, 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 ni.
Na, na, ni, ni, nu, nu, ru, ru, ni, nai,
lu, lu,
no, no,
lu.
nam, naha.
Okay. Give chance to other people also. Only two voices or 3 voices are hearing. Others are silent. Out of 40. How many? 40 are there? 52. Out of 52, I am hearing only voice of 3 or 4 people. All others are silent. So what I should expect? They know, they don't know, or they are shy. So give chance to the people slightly, give the chance to other people who are slightly late in responding. Write the following words in Sanskrit. This you have to practice in the book. You practice and check with your answers in the answer key. Translate into Sanskrit. A horse runs. Anybody?
Aswaha dhavati.
Aswaha dhavati. Very good. Next, the person's masculine. They write like this. This person masculine laughs. What is this person masculine? What you should use?
Saha hasati.
This person. I am is answer. I am laughs. Yeshaha is now Yeshaha masculine. Yeshaha is also correct. Yeshaha laughs. How do you say laughs?
Hasati.
Hasati. Yeshaha hasati or I am hasati. Both are correct. Younger sister plays. Anybody else?
Anuja.
Very good. Very good. Next, a flower blossoms. Pushpam
Vikasati.
A friend gives. Mitram echati. Dadati echati. Also correct. Devotees bow. Bhaktas namati. Bhaktas namanti. Bhaktas, devotees, bahuvachan. Right? So, bhaktaha namanti. Leaves fall.
Boys run.
Patrani patanti.
Patrani patanti. Whenever Ra comes, 99% cases, you get, most of the cases you get Nakaram at the, when Naka, after Ra, When if na is there, that na will be na. When it will come, when it will not come, we will learn later, not now. For the present, you remember like that. Patrani, based on the lessons. If you follow the lessons where na is coming, where na is coming. Vahanani, there na is only coming. Or where patra desho, patrani is coming. Okay. So patrani,
Sir,
chitrani, chitrani. So mostly when rakaram is there, or rukaram is there, or shakaram is there in the word, then next will be nakaram, not nakaram. So leaves, patrani patanti, right? So girls dance.
Balikaha gachanti.
The deaf go.
Badiraha gachanti.
Badiraha.
Badiraha
Gachanti. Next, answer in Sanskrit. This already we did exercise we have done. We don't need to do it now because we have already done it. Fill in the blanks. This also this person feminine.
Saha.
Iyam is answer.
Iyam.
Esha. Iyam or Esha is answer. She, sa. Who? Masculine singular. Saha. Correct. D is neutral.
Etani.
Etani or imani. Both are correct. This neutral.
Etat
or idam. Both are correct. Which neutral plural? Which one neutral plural?
Kani.
Correct. D is masculine.
Ete.
One more.
Masculine.
Ime. Ete is also correct. Ime is also correct. D is feminine.
Etah. Imah.
Etah is correct. Imaha is correct. They masculine. They feminine. Taha. Now let us go to the second lesson. People who have not practiced, please hear carefully and try to practice. And any doubts are there, please call me or put a message to me. People who are not speaking, for them I am saying. So any doubts on this combination of the following consonants into conjuncts? Anybody has got doubt on this? In pronunciation. Only one trick in this is don't leave any word unpronounced. That is the trick. That's all.
సో ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ కాదు కానీ ఆ రాయడంలోనే కొంచెము ప్రాబ్లం అనిపిస్తుంది సార్, అంటే అటాచ్ చేయడంలో.
You have to find out the rules. There's dha, how it is written. When dha how is written, that vertical line is removed, right?
Yeah.
That's how that tricks you have to find. That tricks were given in the book. Which word is to be written how? 22 words, 22 letters are having vertical lines, and those 22 letters, vertical line you have to remove and add. And 8 letters are having round letters. For that you have to put a stroke. This down stroke you have to put and add the next letter. That is correct only. Sometimes one over other will come, but even if you write like this, just as it is, round letter you write with a stroke downward right side, and then write next letter. That is also correct. Sometimes under that you can write next letter. That also correct. Both the ways it can be written. So that's how that is round letters. Then ka and pa, you remove.
Third one is very a little bit difficult, sir. Third one, not. Third one. Third.
Intraya. Just now antra we had yantra we told no. Here antraya. Ya has come extra. That's all.
అంటే రాయడంలో జస్ట్ అది తొందరగా అది అర్థం కాలేదు, అంటే రాయడం ఎలా రాయాలి అని.
Rakaram always goes left stroke, right?
Okay.
And nakaram and takaram On na, ta will come actually. Nta. Ntraya. Ra. Tra. Ta you write. Nakara you will add to that. And ra stroke you will write. Remove the ta stroke, ta vertical stroke, and then add ya to that. That's all.
Okay.
I mean, Namaskara, can we have the answers written for the questions which have been saying? See, verbally, it's not understandable. If you say remove this.
Last pages you see in the book. You got the English book or not? If you don't have English book,
No, I don't
12th
have
lesson.
the book. I don't have the book.
I sent the 12th lesson, right? After 12th lesson, answers are not there. In English books, in the 12th lesson,
No, sir, I don't have the book. So probably.
But I have sent the lesson, right? I have sent the lesson. That lesson does not contain key. English book. Telugu book is having immediately after the lesson itself.
ఉందండి పేజ్ నెంబర్ 236 లో.
Which lesson? 12th lesson, after 12th lesson, right?
Yeah. Correct. 12th lesson.
In that file it is there. Please see, madam, you please see. Mahodaya.
Actually, answers are there at the end of each lesson, Andy.
For the Telugu book.
Yeah.
For English book also is there?
English book లో 236 పేజ్ నెంబర్ ఉందండి.
Yeah. That is there in the file of 11th and 12th lessons file. You find that. That file also I sent you. 11th and 12th lessons also I sent you, right? Though we didn't cover it, please see that 11th we have covered, right? 11th lesson we have covered. In the same file you find there you will find
after
in the 12th lesson end you will find the questions, answers. So all these things the trick is pronounce each syllable one after other. That is the pronunciation. Writing is 22 words, letters, remove the vertical. And with ka and pa, cut it. The limb, you cut the limb. Ra, you write. If you are pronouncing ra before, you give a rapham. And if you are pronouncing later of the word, then after that letter, you write right hand side stroke. Sorry, left hand side stroke. Left hand side stroke. Down that letter. That's how rakaram is used. And all the round letters, you put a right side stroke and then you add to the next letter. That's all. And next, write the person, purusha, number and the following words. Now here, a verb is given. What is that purusha? What is the vachanam? You are right. Gacchati. It is prathama purusha sabdam and ekavachanam. Patami. Anybody?
First person and first person.
Uttama purusha.
Don't say first person. Please write and please tell in Sanskritam. Uttama purusha.
Uttama purusha.
You should say uttamaha. Purusha is written on the top, uttamaha. Then vachanam?
Ekavachanam.
And jayasi.
Madhyama purusham ekavachanam.
Madhyama purushaha. Purushaha sabdam pullinga sabdam. The purushaha, the sabdam is pullinga sabdam. So for that madhyama should be in pullingam. Madhyamaha purushaha.
Purushaha ekavachanam.
Or madhyamaha, you write madhyamaha. That's all. Madhyamaha
ekavachanam.
And pivamaha. Uttamaha
bahuvachanam.
Khadatha.
Madhyama bahuvachanam.
Madhyama bahuvachanam. Gayanti.
Pratama bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Patatha.
Madhyama bahuvachanam.
Nayamaha.
Uttama bahuvachanam.
Marami.
Uttama ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. Tishtanti.
Prathama bahuvachanam.
Okay. Atati. Prathama ekavachanam. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. He is asking you to use only pronouns. Nrutyasi. Tvam. Pronouns means because I am asmat shabdam, ishma shabdam, both are pronouns. And other pronouns are saha shabdam, idam shabdam, I am shabdam, kim shabdam. These four are pronouns you learned till now. And then the 4 and the 2, 6 pronouns you have learned. Right? Saha shabdam, తత్శబ్దం, తత్శబ్దం, ఇదం శబ్దం, ఏతత్ శబ్దం, కిం శబ్దం, అస్మత్ శబ్దం, యుష్మత్ శబ్దం. 6 pronouns you have learned. So this 6 pronouns, ekavachanam, divachanam, bahuvachanam, you have to use accordingly for these things. So dash kridasi. Now you have to observe the verb. Verb is having which prachayam? Madhyama purusha prachayam or uttama purusha prachayam or prathama purusha prachayam. You have to see accordingly and write the thing. Since second lesson is for Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha, mostly these questions are on Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha only. Prathama Purusha are not there. Okay. So Tvam or Aham will come. Asmat Sabdam or Ishmat Sabdam will come. Kridasi, Tvam, Dhavamaha, Vayam, Namatha,
యూయం
Yuyam, Namamaha,
వయం
Vayam, Pasyami,
అహం
Nindatha,
యూయం
Jigrami,
అహం
Khadasi.
త్వం
Please, మీ ఇద్దరు కొంచెం సైలెంట్ అవ్వండి సార్ ప్లీజ్. కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్. మీరందరూ మీకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు కొంచెం ఒక్క నిమిషం సమయం ఇవ్వండి, కొంచెం ఆలోచించి చెప్పేవాళ్ళు. పఠామి,
అహం పఠామి,
పిబథ,
వయం పిబతః.
I can ask one by one, but we can complete only one lesson. That's why I'm not doing that. I'm giving chance to the people to talk. Please come forward and speak. And people who already told once or twice, keep quiet. People who are not spoken, please come forward and speak, so that I will know what is the status of the people, whether they could understand my lessons or not understood my lessons. If required, I can coach again. So, atasi.
త్వం పఠసి.
Tvam patasi. Tvam atasi. So, vadami.
అహం వదామి,
Pruchasi.
త్వం
పృచ్చసి.
పృచ్చసి,
Patasi.
త్వం పతసి,
Jigrata. Yuyam jigrata. Smaramaha.
వయం స్మరామః.
Write the following numbers of the following. Numbers means vachanam. Right? Ekavachanam, divachanam, bahuvachanam. Ti, taha, anti. So he has given here indication to you what are the prachayams being used for Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha. Ti is Prathama Purusha ekavachanam, taha is Madhyama Purusha, Prathama Purusha divachanam, and anti is the Prathama Purusha bahuvachanam. Patati, patataha, patanti. Dhavati,
धावतः
धावन्ति. नृत्यति,
नृत्यति, नृत्यतः नृत्यन्ति.
खादतः,
खादति, खादतः खादन्ति. पिबति, पिबतः पिबन्ति.
पतति, पततः,
पतति, पततः पतन्ति.
Next read this. Patasi, next.
नृत्यसि, नृत्यतः,
नृत्यथा.
Next.
पतति, पतति, पततः,
Next.
धावसि,
धावति, धावतः, धावति.
Pashasi, dhavatah, dhavatah. Then pashyasi,
पश्यतः,
nindatah,
निन्दति,
निन्दसि,
निन्दतः.
So this is Madhyama Purusha. What are the prachayas used? Si, aha, tha. So he has given prachayas here and asked you to add it and find out here. It's easy. You just add that prachaya and tell here. That's all. Then Uttama Purusha, mi, vaha, maha. Then dhavami, dhavavaha, dhavamaha. Namami,
नमामः.
next.
वहामि,
Next.
नयामि
नयामः
लिखामि
लिखामि
लिखावः
हसामि हसावः
हसावः
Now what you understood now? You understood this Prathama Purusha Shabdam is there here. Now the Pratyam is to be added is ti, taha, anti. The Prathama Purusha Shabdam ti, taha, anti. Then how to make sentence with these things? For this Prathama Purusha, how to make sentence? Can anybody tell me sentences for this? Dhavati. Make sentence and tell me with Prathama Purusha Shabdam.
Aham dhavati.
No.
Oh,
This is
okay.
Prathama Purusha. Aham dhavati is not correct. Aham
Okay.
is this. Aham dhavami.
Ashwa dhavati.
Ashwaha dhavati. Ashwaha dhavati.
Ashwaha dhavati.
Next. What is Devachana for Ashwa? Huh? No. Dhavati. Ashwaha dhavati. Next, how to make sentence? Next one.
Ashwa dhavatah.
Ashwau dhavatah. Correct. Next.
Ashwa dhavanti.
Ashwaha. You have to pronounce that hakaram.
Ashwa dhavanti.
Ashwaha.
Ashwa dhavanti.
Please repeat again.
Ashwa
dhavanti.
No, you are not pronouncing the aha correctly.
Ashwaha dhavanti.
Ashwaha dhavanti. You have to add that ha. Ashwaha dhavanti. Next. Similarly, you tell Madhyam Purusha any one of these things. Tvam
patatihi.
Tvam patasi. Tvam patasi.
Patati.
Next. Next. Please be clear and louder.
Yuam patatah.
Yuam patatah.
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 Yuyam patata.
So you have used that and put this. That's all. Next, when the Uttama Purusha comes.
Aham namami padami.
Vayam namavaha.
Vayam dava.
Navavaha. Vayam navamaha.
Yuyam.
Yuyam kada vayam. Uttama Purusha. Vayam namamaha. Vayam namamaha. Avam vaya namavaha. Here, nayava. Aham nama nayami. Avam nayavaha. Vayam nayamaha. Like that. Aham likhami. Avam likhavaha. Vayam likhamaha. Ayam hasami. Avam hasavaha. Vayam hasamaha. Aham vahami. Avam vahavaha. Vayam vahamaha. Here, tvam nuchasi. Yuvam nuchataha. Yuyam nuchata. Next. Tvam patasi.
Tvam patasi.
Yuvam patataha.
Yuvam
Yuyam
patatah.
patata.
Vayam patatah.
Patata. Tvam dhavasi. Yuvam dhavataha. Yuyam dhavataha. Tvam pasyasi. Yuvam pasyataha. Yuyam pasyatha. Tvam nindasi. Yuvam nindatha. Yuyam nindatha. Similarly, here you can use 6 things. Three Pullinga Namavachaka Shabdas, 3 Sarvanama Shabdas you can tell. You have to tell that and practice accordingly. I will tell once. Ramaha dhavati, Sita dhavati, Mitram dhavati, Ramau dhavataha, Site dhavataha, Mitre dhavataha, Ramaha pathanti, Sitaha dhavanti, pathanti, Mitrani dhavanti. Like that. It is Saha dhavati or Ayam dhavati, Ime dhavataha, Imau dhavataha, Ime dhavanti. Iyam dhavati, ime dhavataha, imaha dhavanti. idam dhavati, ime dhavatāh, imani dhavanti. So like that, you can make 6 sentences here with these things. So practice like that, then you can make, how to make sentences, you will get practice. Okay. Next comes to write the answers following using the verb. Tvam kim karoshi. Answer should be in Uttama Purusha. When Madhyama Purusha question is there, answer will be Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha question is there, answer will be Madhyama Purusha. Is actually Tvam kim karoshi should be there. Since Rakaram is there, the Sakara has become Shakaram. So Tvam kim karoshi. If it is Ramam, Ramam kim karoti. Ramaha kim karoti. Aham kim karomi. But when there is Tvam karoshi, Tvam kim karoshi, because Sakaram becomes Shakaram. Tvam kim karoshi. Answer is Aham patami.
Pashyami.
Aham pashyami, aham patami, aham likhami, aham vadami, aham pibami. Anything you can say, right? Because he has given pat here, not right patami. Pasya, pashyami. Saha kim karoti, dhav. Saha is on answer. Madhyam, Prathama Purusha only answer. Because
aham dhavami.
No,
you cannot say aham dhavam.
Saha
The question is
dhavati.
for Prathama Purusha. You have
Saha
tried saha
dhavati.
only. Saha kim karoti, saha dhavati.
Saha dhavati.
You cannot say aham or tvam, because we both are talking about third person. Saha. Saha kim karoti, saha dhavati. Aham kim karomi.
Tvam kridami.
Krida.
Tvam
Kridami. Aham kridami.
Tvam kridam.
Tvam kridasi. Te kim kurvanti.
Te smaranti.
Smaranti, correct. So saha kim karoti.
Saha kadati.
Kadati. Vayam kim kurmaha.
Vayam hasanti.
No. Yuyam answer is Yuyam. Vayam answer is Yuyam. Vayam answer will be Yuyam. Yuyam asatha. Asatha. Yuyam asatha. Vayam answer will be Yuyam. Because Madhyama Purusha. This is Uttama Purusha. Vayam is Uttama Purusha. You have to answer in Madhyama Purusha. Vayam kim kurmaha. Yuyam asatha. Yuyam kim kurutha. Answer will be Vayam. Vayam Gayamaha. Vayam Gayamaha. Please repeat.
Vayam Gayamaha.
Vayam Gayamaha. Yuvam kim kurutha. Yuvam. Divachanam. Yuvam kim kurutha. Then answer will be Avam. Avam Atavaha. So, Vayam kim kurmaha. Yuyam
Yachatha.
Correct. Mahaprana. Avam kim kurvaha. Question will be kurvaha. For Divachanam, avam kim kurvaha. మేము ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? మేము ఇద్దరం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? Yuvam Yuvam nayataha. Okay. Next. Saha bahu trishitaha.
Kakaha.
Ekaha kakaha bahu trishitaha. Kakaha also is good answer. Ekaha kakaha complete answer. Ekaha kakaha bahu trishitaha. Kaha ka bahu trishitaha is also correct. No problem. Saha kimardham brahmati.
Jalaर्थम भ्रमति. सः
जलार्धम भ्रमति. सः जलार्धम भ्रमति. घटे किम अस्ति?
घटे स्वल्पमेव जलम् अस्ति.
స్వల్పం ఏవ జలం అస్తి, స్వల్పమేవ జలం అస్తి. స్వల్పం ఏవ విడివిడిగా రాసినా కూడా పర్లేదు. యూ కెన్ రైట్ సపరేట్లీ ఆల్సో, ఆర్ యూ కెన్ కంబైన్ అండ్ రైట్ స్వల్పమేవ మేవ. యూ కెన్ రైట్ both are correct. స్వల్పం ఏవ జలం అస్తి. When you write separately, then anuswaram should be makaram. Swalpam, makaram you have to write. So next, kakah kim chintayati?
Jalam, kakah jalam katham pibami.
iti
chintayati. Iti chintayati.
Iti chintayati. Yeah.
Kakah iti chintayati. Jalam katham pibami. Kakah iti chintayati. Or iti kakah chintayati. Anyway,
Yeah,
iti kakah chintayati also correct, or kakah iti chintayati is also correct. So ghate kim chipati?
Chipati.
Chipati means dropping.
శిలాఖండం.
Em drop chesindi.
శిలాఖండాని.
Shilakhandan.
Shilakhandan. Shilakhanda pullinga shabdam. So Shilakhanda pullinga shabdam, Ditya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam is Shilakhandan.
Kshipati.
When you are Neenula Kuchi గురించి వేటిని డ్రాప్ చేసింది, దేనిని డ్రాప్ చేసింది, వేటిని డ్రాప్ చేసింది, శిలాఖండములను. దట్ నూకి ఇన్ వస్తుంది అకారం శబ్దాన్ని. శిలాఖండాన్, రామః రామౌ రామాః, రామం రామౌ రామాన్, వృక్షః వృక్షౌ వృక్షాః, వృక్షం వృక్షౌ వృక్షాన్. లైక్ దట్. శిలాఖండః, శిలాఖండౌ, శిలాఖండాః, శిలాఖండం, శిలాఖండౌ, శిలాఖండాన్. ప్రథమా విభక్తి, ద్వితీయ విభక్తి. So like that you have to remember. Then ghate kim chipati. That's answer is over. Okay, now let us go to the here. This writing you have to practice. First question. Second question, write the meanings of Pashyami. What is the meaning? Seeing, sees, sees, or aham చూస్తున్నాను, తెలుగులో రాసితే చూస్తున్నాను. నయథ, మీరు తీసుకువెళ్తున్నారు.
Leading.
You are taking along. You are taking along. So Nayatha gives only you, right? It gives only for UM. So you are taking along is nothing wrong in saying that. So, similarly, Pashyami is only for Aham, right? When saying in Uttama Purusha, నేను చూస్తున్నాను అంటలో తప్పులేదు. అహం పశ్యామి అంట తప్పులేదు. నేను చూస్తున్నాను, ఐఎమ్ సీయింగ్ అంటలో తప్పులేదు. అలాగే యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ అలాంగ్ తప్పులేదు. యు ఆర్ అటు ఇటు తిరుగుతున్నారు కదా, అటసి యు ఆర్ మూవింగ్ అరౌండ్. యు ఆర్ వాండరింగ్. అటా మీన్స్ వాండరింగ్. యు ఆర్ వాండరింగ్. యచ్చత, యు ఆర్ ఆల్ వాండరింగ్. యు ఆర్ ఆల్ asking. Yachata means giving. Yachata means asking. I see giving. We are all giving. Then Tishtamaha, we are all staying here. We are all staying here. We are all standing here like that. Vahamaha, we are carrying. Vahamaha, we are carrying. Jigrami, aham smelling. Namatha, you are all doing namaskaram. You are all bowing down.
మీరు.
You all. means you all. And khadasi,
eating.
You are eating.
You are eating.
So, view the forms of the verbs as shown in the example. The patasi, likhasi, gayasi, jayasi, dhavasi, namasi. Yes, give an example here. Only adding C, that's all.
Namasi.
Namasi, ichasi.
Ichasi.
Pat patamaha, Nind nindamaha, echamaha,
Echamaha,
pasya pasyamaha,
Pashyamaha,
vad vadamaha, pib pibamaha, creed creedamaha. Amaha will join here. Here asi will join here. Here amaha will join here. Then change the following sentence from first person to second person and second to first in the same number. Tvam gacchasi, aham gacchami. Tvam nayasi.
Aham
nayami.
Aham dhavami.
Yuyam khadata.
Tvam
Vayam
dhavasi.
khadavamaha. Vayam smaramaha. Yuyam
smaram.
smaratha. Smaratha. Vayam smaramaha. Yuyam smaratha. Tvam tishtasi. Aham tishtami.
Aham tishtami.
Vayam patamaha. Yuyam patatha. Correct. So let us go to third lesson. Please, who are not people who have got doubts, who could not pick up what I am saying now, please come forward tomorrow with your doubts. Don't be silent. And some more tips I will tell you is, please read the lessons loudly. Don't read lessons silently. If you read lessons silently, you can never speak Sanskritam. You have to read Sanskritam lessons loudly. When you read loudly only, you will be able to speak confidently. Otherwise, you will get all doubts in speaking. When you read loudly, your tongue will be accustomed to the sounds. You yourself find out that you are reading wrongly sometimes, because what you are seeing, the tongue is not speaking. So you yourself will realize that you are speaking wrongly when you read second time, third time, fourth time. Then you correct yourself. Your tongue and mind should go together. By reading silently, only mind is knowing. Unless you read loudly, your tongue will not get accustomed to the pronunciation. Please understand this. Either you have to speak with somebody using the language, or you have to read loudly. It's lessons. Then you will be able to practice the sentences properly.
There is a question.
Yeah, what is the question?
Can the lessons be downloaded?
Why not? You can download yourself. Already sent to you.
It's already given, na?
Already given. Already down. If you want download, you can download. Already given. Twice I have posted in the twice or once I have posted. You want to post again?
No. You see, it will unnecessarily get loaded on the mobiles.
No, Hari, what is your question?
It is already done twice.
Hari, what is your question?
You can download, no problem. If you want, if somebody did not download, please give a message to me. I will send to you individually.
Yeah, that is better. But
Please
basically,
send a message to me.
they have to
Don't
just go
hesitate.
through the website. I mean,
Our
WhatsApp
Sanskrit
group.
Bharati target is not to trouble the people. Make as many people as possible to learn the language.
Right.
So I will give all the support to you. I don't, if the putting in the group will become downloading the group, I don't want to do that. Whoever wants that, please give a message to me. Within a minute, it will come to you. The moment I see the message, we say your message. Okay.
Tell Hari, what do you want to say?
No, I want to, download the exercise so that, I can possibly understand it better.
To take a printout, you send it to your mail. When
it can be sent
yes,
to my
and you
mail.
can take a printout from the mail.
Okay. If it can be sent, the book which Mr. Rao is following, if it can be sent by mail.
10 MB cannot be sent by mail.
No, you can send it to your own mail.
No, it is not possible.
Through the WhatsApp.
I will give the WhatsApp, you transfer to your mail.
But 10 MB size is big.
Kamalji,
I see.
will post in your mail. You give a message to me. I will give in WhatsApp to you. You transfer in your mailbox.
Okay.
And open there.
Okay.
You just send a mail to you. That's all. Share.
Yeah.
By mail.
Send it to me in my mobile only. Then.
Please then you please give a message to me. Whoever wants should give a message to me.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't have all your contacts with me. Only Babu is having.
Okay, I will send it. I will send all the. You want what English version? Na?
No, the language, no, the pronunciation, everything, it is covered in one exercise book which Mr. Rao is following. But I am not able to get that book.
No, Samskrita Bharati has got all these books, You can just call them and then they will send it to you.
They will send 300 rupees, they will send the book to you.
Yeah, you just pay 300, you will get a full set of books.
You don't need to have all these troubles.
Correct.
300 plus 20 rupees also they will charge you, 320. You just call them phone by phone pay, next day it will come to you.
Colonel, sir,
If you are in
I will
Hyderabad
give you the number.
wherever it is, third day it will come.
I'll give you the number of that Samskrita Bharati person.
That also
You
I
call
posted
him.
in the group. I posted that number also in the group.
Good.
You just give a message to them, they will post you wherever you want within India.
Correct.
Now we are in the third lesson, Abhyasam. Abhyasam 1. Write the following other numbers of the following. Because another 20 minutes is there. Yes, okay. 15 minutes is there. Ishate, Ichete, Ichante. Vandate.
Vandete, Vandante.
Yatate.
Yatete, yatante.
Yatante.
Sankante.
Shankete, shankante.
Sankate, Sankete, Sankante.
Shankante.
Shobhete.
Shobhate.
Shobhete, shobhante.
Shobhante.
Yachase.
Yachete.
Yachese.
Yachate.
Yachadve.
Again. Yachase.
Yachate.
Yachete.
Yachadve.
Not te. Te.
Yachedve.
Yachadve. Repeat again. Yachase.
Yachase. Yachete.
Shete.
Yachadve.
Yachante.
Yachadve.
యాచంతే చెప్పిన వాళ్ళు రాంగ్ చెప్తున్నారు. యాచద్వే ఆత్మనేపది క్రియ మధ్యమ పురుష అద్వే విల్ కమ్. మధ్యమ పురుష బహువచనం ధ్వా విల్ కమ్. ధ్వం లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్. దట్ ఇస్ ద టిప్. మధ్యమ పురుష బహువచనం ధ్వా కమ్స్ ఫర్ ఆత్మనేపది క్రియ. యాచసే, యాచేథే, యాచద్వే వర్తమాన కాలం. యాచద్వే వర్తమాన కాలం. అయాచధ్వం భూతకాలం. యాచధ్వం ఈజ్ ప్రేరణార్థకం. అచద్వే అయాచధ్వం భూతకాలం. యాచధ్వం ప్రేరణార్థకం. లైక్ దట్. సహసే.
సహేతే.
సహద్వే. త్రాయసే, త్రాయేథే, త్రాయద్వే. భాషామహే.
భాషే, భాషావహే.
భాషే, భాషావహే. భాషామహే. Some new tone I heard. Please repeat, sir, again. Please repeat the new tone. I heard just now new tone.
భాషే.
కరెక్ట్ చెప్పారు మీరు. మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి. భాషావహే.
భాషే, భాషావహే, భాషామహే.
కరెక్ట్. ఓకే. స్లాఘే.
స్లాఘామహే.
స్లాఘావహే.
స్లాఘామహే.
ఉత్తమ పురుష ద్వివచనం కమ్స్ విత్ వకారం. ఉత్తమ పురుష బహువచనం విత్ మకారం. దిస్ ఇస్ అనదర్ టిప్. Uttama Purusha Divachanam will come with Vakaram. Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam comes with Makaram. Vahe, Mahe, Ami, Ami, Vahai, Vahai, Mahi, Mahai, Vahi, Mahi, like that will come. Slaghe, Slaghe, Slagavahe, Slagamahe. Uhe, Uhavahe, Uhamahe, correct. Next. Seve.
Vayam bhashamahe meaning?
మేము మాట్లాడుతున్నాము. We are speaking. We are భాషిస్తున్నాం. We are doing భాషణ.
Okay.
సేవామహే. సేవావహే. మహే. మహే. Then లజ్జద్వే. లజ్జద్వే. This is Madhyamurti. Lajjadve. Good. Change in the plural. Balaka ichhate. Balakaha ichhante. Yodhaha yujjate.
Yodaha yujjante.
Devaha trayate. Devaha
trayante.
Sasyam vardhate.
Sasyani vardante.
Very good. Sasyani vardhante. This is Napusasabdha. Sasyani. Tvam lajjase.
Yuyam lajjadve.
Yuyam lajjadve. Tvam yatase.
Yuyam yatatve.
Yatadve. Tvam yachase.
Yuyam
yachadve.
Yachadve. Aham vuhe.
Vayam uhamahe.
Uhamahe.
Aham iche.
Vayam
Ishamahe. Please don't forget to write that dirgham. Amahe will come. Avahe, Amahe. Dirgham will come for that saddam. Ikshamahe. Don't write Ikshamahe. Ikshamahe. Sankamahe. Vandamahe. Like that. You pronounce long. Initially, you try to pronounce long words, very long, short words, very cut. You try to practice like that. Afterwards, that things will be tuned properly when you are speaking in the long run. But initially, the long things you try to pronounce long. Short things you try to cut it short as much as possible. Then you will not commit mistakes in future. Otherwise, once you tell wrongly practice, you try to commit wrongly only later also. So initially, try to pronounce long things very long, short things very short. That's how you should practice. Okay. Next, make the sentences using the verb root given in the box. Vand. With vand you have to write. Tvam.
Vandase.
Vandase. Aham.
Aham vandati.
Vande.
Aham vande andi. Aham vande. Vayam.
Vandamahe.
Vandavahe.
Vandamahe.
For Atmapadi, Ekaram will come. Mind it. For Parasmapadi, it comes. Vaha will come. For Parasmapadi, Vaha will come. For Atmapadi, Vahe will come. Then Saha.
Vandati.
Vandase. Saha Bhashase. Bhashase. Harihi.
Bhashate.
Pradhama Purusha. Harihi Ramavachakam. Pradhama Purusha. Bhashate.
Te bhashe.
Bhashante.
Bhashante.
Bhashate. Bhashete. Bhashante. Bahuvachanam bhashante. Ekavachanam bhashate. Yuyam.
Bhashatve.
Bhashadve. Correct. Then aham.
Bhashe.
Correct. Then slag.
वयं
श्लाघामहे
श्लाघामहे यूयं
श्लाघत्वे
श्लाघध्वे जनाः
श्लाघन्ते
श्लाघन्ते अहं
श्लाघे
श्लाघे correct. Next, write the Atmanepadi form for the root given in the brackets corresponding to the Parasmayapadi verb. He has given Parasmayapadi verb and he has given a, so he is giving Atmanepadi and writing, asking you to write the equivalent. What is equivalent? You have to write here. You have to see which Purusha it is being used. And that Purusha only you have to write. Namati is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. So Vand he has given. So you have to write Prathama Purusha Ekavachana Vand. You have to write. So Namati, Udaharan, for Nam Dhatu, Namati is the Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. For Vand Dhatu, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Vandate. So Vadati, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. For Bhasha,
Bhashate.
Bhashate. Vadasi is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Right? So Bhasha,
Bhashase, Bhashatve,
Bhashase. So then Vadamaha. Vadamaha Uchupurusha.
ఇది ఉత్తమ పురుష
బహువచనం భాష ఉత్తమ పురుష బహువచనం భాషామహే కరెక్ట్. సో పశ్యతి ఈక్షామహే పశ్యతి ఈక్షతే పశ్యామః ఈక్షామః పశ్యంతి ఈక్షంతి నమంతి వదంతే నమసి వందసే తుష్యతి మోదతే తుష్యతి మోదతే తుష్యామి మోదే. That's all. అత్ర స్థాపయామः. We could complete only 2.5 lessons. So we'll complete next 1.5 lesson or 2.5 lessons tomorrow. And be prepared. Please come prepared so that we can fastly do it. And even then afterwards, the people who could not cope up with this fastness, please read. And if you have got any doubts, either you can call me on WhatsApp or you can give a message to me. Don't get scared and run away. Ujjameneva siddhanti karyani na manorathaihi. Arabdham uttam janaha na parichajanti. Chanshah kanishashchaiva vidyamardham cha sadhayet. Sotsahanam nastajarjam narana. Astu. These are the things you should remember, those slogans.
Arabdham uttam jana na
parichajanti. Na parichajanti. Don't leave it in between. Yam Vaidika mantra drishah puranaha indram yamam matariswanamahuhu vedantino vachaniyamekam yam brahma sabdena viniddhisanti Saivayamisham Sivayitcha vochan yam Vaishnava Vishnu ritistuvanti buddhastadarhanniti bauddha jainaha sasri akaleti cha sikha santaha shasteti kechit prakriti kumaraha swamiti mateti piteti bhaktya yam prardhayante jagadisitaram sayeka eva prabhadadvitiyah. Om shanti 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 sarvanti krishnarpanamastu. Idannam सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति 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 सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. नमस्कारः. पुनः स्वामिलामः. ఓకే, ధన్యవాదములండి ఫర్ ద కంటిన్యూస్ 1.5 hour లెక్చర్ అండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ సెషన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నౌ పూజితాజీ.
Yes, sir.
You have to tell her, otherwise she will not do.
Yeah, please start Prarthana.
Swastif prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahimahishah go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam loka samastha sukhino bhavantu काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः अपुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधनाः सधनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतं सत्यं वद धर्मं चर स्वाध्यायान्म प्रमदः
महाप्रमदः
स्वाध्यायान्मा प्रमदः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु स्वस्ति
ధన్యవాదములు పూజిత. టుమారో ఆల్సో యు ఆర్ చాంటింగ్, సో కమ్ ఎర్లీ.
Sir, tomorrow I may not chant, sir. We are going to Bangalore, sir.
Okay, somebody else I'll nominate. Okay, let us go for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद जय हिंद
जय हिंद जय हिंद जय श्री राम जय श्री राम.
ధన్యవాదములండి వేలా చిట్టిబాబు గారు.